Millions of people in Michigan are enrolled in Medicaid, and during the pandemic, that renewal process was stalled. This summer, that process started back up, and there are some things that you need to know when it comes to staying enrolled. So we're checking in with Prudi Foster, a community health worker at Priority Health, to learn more about this process. So Prudi, thank you for joining us. What is Medicaid redetermination? What exactly is that?
So Medicaid redetermination is a process that Medicaid members have to renew their policy, their benefits. And during the pandemic, that was halted because of the pandemic and not wanting people to lose their insurance. So since the pandemic has come to a stop, we are now starting to see people have to redetermine. What that means is they have to show their income, be able to prove that they still qualify for the Medicaid.
So what do people need to know about that process? I'm sure they're very out of practice if it's been a few years since the pandemic. Where do they go for that? What do they need to know?
Absolutely. So they just need to, first of all, make sure that their information is up to date with the MDHHS. You can either go to michigan.gov. If you have a MyBridges app. So it's the program where you can actually see your policy, your information, your food stamps. Go there, make sure your address, phone number is correct so that they know that they're getting you the information. Then start watching in the mail for a packet or a text message that has a link.
And will you be told about your expiration date? Is that something you should know?
Yes, you won't need to know that.
Okay.
They will receive that letter or the text that says when their month is up.
I am imagining that there are a lot of people who need help with this. Are there places to go for help?
Absolutely.
Okay, where should we go?
So they can go to either their local health plan, like Priority Health. They can reach out to MDHHS, go to their MyBridges account. There's information there. You can also go to the michigan.gov, and there's information about benefit changes.
What do you find are the most common questions that people have when they come to you guys confused about what to do?
What is redetermination?
Yeah.
They'll say, you know, a lot of people have never had the redetermination because during the pandemic they may have come on plan and so have never had to do that. And so just explaining to them that they're not going to lose coverage necessarily, but this is something that's been common. It just had been halted for the three years.
If you're someone who's caring for a loved one, is this something you can help them with or help them stay on track with it?
Absolutely. So all they would need to do is reach out again to the MyBridges. So if it's a mom or a dad that needs to help get their child covered, they are usually a family plan and can go right onto that MyBridges account and get that information taken care of. Otherwise, just reaching out to Michigan MDHHS and they will be able to help them.
Sounds like you guys have a lot of help going on there. That's nice. All right, Prudi Foster from Priority Health, thank you so much for joining us to talk about this important topic.